Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. My name is Megan, and thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to show you a string pull over this dried 11 by 14 canvas. This was a paint pour I did in my December Christmas paint pour series. And as you can see, it kind of dried. It ran off the side a little bit on both sides. Had a little too much paint for this pour. So it kind of ran off the sides and messed up. So we're going to go ahead and do a string pull right over the top, because I do like some areas of the pour, but some areas are kind of where it pulled off the edges is kind of messed up. So I'm just got here a plastic top to one of the aluminum brownie pans, and I'm putting some various pinks down here in the bottom of the plastic top. And my string is a little bit thicker than, it's called pearl cotton, but it's a little bit thicker than like a embroidery floss, but it's thinner than yarn. It's a nice sturdy string, but it's called pearl cotton. That's what I'm using today, but you can use string, yarn, floss, chain. You can use so much. I'm just using this string for me today. And so now I'm just going to dip my string here in the paint, but then I realized real quickly that actually I need to put down some Floetrol first. So I've been having a lot of fun with this technique of painting on top of dried paint pours by putting a layer of Floetrol down. So yes, I've already dipped the string, and then I realized, oh, I forgot to put my Floetrol down. So then I take just some plain Floetrol, some just pure Floetrol, and here's showing you the bottle of Floetrol. I put it straight on the canvas and spread it around with my fingers. Floetrol does dry perfectly clear, so it gives you kind of a lubricated surface to be able to do a string pull or do any other paint pour techniques to give kind of a layered look. And so it's been a fun little technique. I've been working on paint pouring and doing another layer on top of already dried paint pours. And I've actually done 3 and 4 layers over the top, and they're really looking amazing. So I'm just spreading some Floetrol around with my finger. It dries perfectly clear, so it's looking a little bit cloudy here, but it's going to dry clear. Now I am ready to do the string pull. I've already dipped the string there in the paint, which I showed before, but now I'm ready to go ahead and do the string pull. So I just lay it across the canvas here, and I pull straight down vertically with the canvas. And you can kind of see these colors, these pinks. I picked some more translucent pinks because I wanted it kind of, you can see through and see that background blues peeking up through. And then this will just be a subtle pinks across the top. And once it dries, you won't even see that Floetrol at all. And next week I'll be doing a video that's going to show all my dried pieces from recent videos and recent live streams. So I'll show this one dried here next week in a video. So stay tuned for that. And I'm just going to continue dipping in and pulling, doing just a normal old string pull. So, all right, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope everybody is staying safe and coping okay with everything going on in the world. Thank you so much, and just continue watching, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the music up a little bit. Not too high, but a little bit. All right, have a good one. I appreciate you.